Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video, Thursday's video, I don't know, one of those videos. So I have these geode shaped coasters, and I wanted to harken back to one of my first videos and try and do a geode again, geode style again. So for the center, I'm going to be using the blue silver glass glitter. This is from Drier Days Arts. Very, very pretty. And then for the colored parts, I'm going to be using rose gold mica powder and sky blue mica powder. So those are going to be my colors. I do have to clean these up. I literally just pulled them out and started filming, so I'm going to clean these up, get my resin all mixed up, and start pouring. Super simple, super easy video today. So hopefully you enjoy. Okay? Hang tight. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright friends, these are cured. They look really cool from this angle. So I'm hoping that they look equally as cool when we demold them. So let's see. I only mixed up 400 milliliters of resin, which did not fill these all the way, but that's okay. Alright. Yeah, they did virtually nothing on the back side, but this side is still really cool looking. And it's got a lot of depth in the middle. I don't know how well that's showing. This one will probably show it the best. So what I'll probably end up doing is adding a clear layer to the top of these, just to make them even, since there's that little ledge there. But yeah, the back, it did nothing to the back basically. So it seems I still have not mastered this thing that I've tried like twice. Okay, so there's the back again, and then this one is really cool looking. Trying to see how I can show you guys like the true depth of it. I don't know that that's really helping anything, but I mean they're very cool looking on this side, so I'm not mad at it. Okay, here's the back side of this one. Now this one is really cool because it's see-through, but yeah, they turned out cute. Yeah, I'm a little sad that the backs of them, which were meant to be the front, didn't turn out very good, but this side is really cool. So again, I'm gonna, today is Tuesday, as always, the procrastinator, so I'm gonna do my glamour shots of these, and then when I come down to film the second part of Thursday's video, I'm going to mix up some extra resin and just top these off so that they're nice and even. But anyway, that is today's video. I really enjoyed this one. I had fun playing with it. If you guys did too, and you want to let me know that you like this kind of stuff, please hit the like button. It helps out my channel, helps me to grow and reach other people. Also, if you are new and you like stuff like this, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.